Hi, my name is Dan Dorfmueller. I'm the author of Print Reading for Construction. I will take a look at material from Unit 2, Construction Math and Application. In this video, we will take a look at how to work with fractions. We will explain important terms related to fractions and show how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions. Fractions are written with one number over the other. The number on the top is called the numerator, and the number on the bottom is called the denominator, as seen in this 7/16 and 9/16 example. The 7 and the 9 are numerators, and the 16 is the denominator. Note, when you add them together, you get 16/16, which equals 1. The 7/16 and 9/16 fractions in the example are called proper fractions. An improper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator, such as 5/4 or 19/16. In order to reduce an improper fraction to a mixed number, divide the numerator by the denominator. As seen here, 5/4 can be reduced to 1 1/4, and 19/16 can be reduced to 1 3/16. This would be called a mixed number. When adding fractions together, first determine the least common denominator into which the denominators can be divided. Then change the fractions to have the same denominator by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the same number. As seen here, multiply 2 over 2 to convert 5/16 to 10/32 and 4 over 4 to convert the 3/8 to 12/32. Now they can be added with 11/32. Now add the numerators together and you get 33/32. Finally, reduce to lowest terms and you get 1 1/32. Subtracting fractions is similar to adding fractions. First, find the least common denominator, then subtract the numerators. Then reduce the answers to its lowest terms. As seen here, convert 3/4 to 12/16. Then subtract the 5 from the 12 and the answer is 7/16. And this is already in its lowest terms. Next, let's look at multiplying fractions. First, change the mixed numbers to improper fractions. Second and third, multiply all the numerators. Then multiply all the denominators. And finally, reduce the answer to its lowest terms. In this example, 1/2 times 3 1/8 times 4. First, change all mixed numbers to improper fractions. Next, multiply both the numerator string and the denominator string together, which equals 116. Then reduce to lowest terms, which equals 6 1/4. Dividing fractions has a bit of a twist, as when multiplying fractions, change the mixed numbers to improper fractions. Here is the twist. Invert, turn upside down the divisor, then multiply, and finally reduce to lowest terms. In this example, 5 1/4 divided by 1 1/2. First, convert the mixed numbers to improper fractions. So, 5 times 4 equals 20, plus 1 equals 21/4, and 1 times 2 plus 1 equals 3/2. Now, invert the 3/2 to 2/3 and multiply both the numerator and the denominator, giving you an answer of 42/12, and this is reduced to 3 1/2. Thank you. Please visit my website for additional videos on print reading for construction at www.printreading.us.